myself Raj. So let's get started. Hey guys, today we are going to do an unboxing of Boat Stone 600. So let's get to the unboxing.
Got me like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
So I've connected this speaker to my phone. So let's see what is the quality of the music.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So here is our Boat Stone 600 unboxing and quick impression. If you like my video, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment your opinions and smash that subscribe button with the bell notification icon, so you get notified each time we upload a video. So thank you for watching. Good to see you in my next video.